Hi everyone, this is Tina, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite things, plants. Specifically, one of the best plants for beginners, because we all got to start somewhere. Today is the rubber plant, also known as the Ficus elastica. It's a super tough and durable plant that can withstand a lot of different growing conditions. It's also really easy to care for, which makes it a great choice for people who are new to the plant game. There are dozens of varieties, but I'm going to list 10 that should be fairly easy to find, and they all thrive in bright and direct light. Ruby rubber plant. This variety has beautiful red and pink leaves and prefers for its soil to be kept slightly moist. Tunica rubber plant. The tunica has gorgeous variegated leaves in shades of green and cream and needs to be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. Burgundy rubber plant. As you might guess from the name, this variety has deep burgundy leaves and likes for its soil to dry out a little bit between watering. Abidjan rubber plant. The Abidjan has big, bold green leaves with a shiny finish and needs to be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. Black Knight rubber plant. This variety has super dark, almost black leaves and likes to dry out a bit between waterings. Variegated rubber plant. This variety has variegated leaves in shades of green and white and needs to be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. The lemon lime rubber plant. The lemon lime has bright green and yellow leaves and likes for its soil to be kept slightly moist. If you are enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to help support the channel. Rubber tree. This is the classic rubber plant with big shiny green leaves and needs to be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. Melony rubber plant. The melony has green leaves with pink edges and also needs to be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. The rubber fig. This variety has smaller leaves and it comes in many variations, but it still packs a punch and it prefers to dry out a little bit between waterings. So there you have it, folks, 10 different varieties of rubber plants that are perfect for beginners. And the best part, they all pretty much have the same care requirements, so you can group them together and take care of them all at once. That's it for today. I hope that you learned something new about rubber plants. And if you want something of a little more variety, take a look at our next video about the 10 coolest house plants you can have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.